Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fully customize your Moyu Weilong WR M 2021 edition. Just a quick note, this is not a full review. This is simply a customization tutorial. If you guys want to see my full review on this cube, go check out the link in the description and you can go check out the review for yourself. Alright, let's get on with the customization tutorial. Okay, so first of all, you have your normal screw. So what you do is you take the screwdriver that is included in the box. All you do is to hold it over here. Just put it over the screw like this, and then just turn clockwise to tighten. So you turn clockwise to tighten, and you turn counterclockwise to loosen. If you turn it clockwise a lot, it'll make the cube tighter, which means that the cube will not pop or corner twist a lot. However, it might not be able to corner cut very well. On the opposite, you can put it on a slightly looser tension, which will allow you to corner cut much better, but you may experience more corner twists and pops than if you are on a tight tension. My cube is on moderate tensions, as you can see, providing the best of both worlds, which I strongly recommend for your own setup. Next up, we have the spring elasticity adjustment, which is this blue thing under the center cap. Inside the box, you will find this tool right here, where it has this sort of rectangular handle and then this circular tool. All you have to do is to take this and you put it over the center cap like so. And then once you put it over, you can turn counterclockwise, which will help you tighten up your spring. Out of the box, it will come in the lower setting and it will be all the way down there. But after you turn it counterclockwise a few times, you can see like so, you'll notice that this blue thing actually rises and it goes towards the top, making the spring stronger. As you can see, this is on the highest setting, which is the strongest setting. There are 8 settings going from weak, which is all the way at the bottom, to strong, which is all the way at the top. After you reach the strongest setting, if you turn the tool again, it will go all the way back down to the bottom and start over from the weaker setting. Weaker settings all the way at the bottom, like 1 or 2, make the cube extremely fast but also very hard to control. Stronger settings like setting 7 and setting 8 make the cube much more controllable, but you might not have as much pure speed as with a lower spring elasticity. I put mine on the second highest or second strongest setting, which makes the cube much more controllable, and since the cube is already very fast, even though I am losing a bit of speed, this cube is still very fast. So yeah, you guys should definitely try the settings for yourself, but personally I would recommend a slightly stronger spring compression like setting 7 or setting 8. Alright, and now we are going to take a look at the magnet adjustment. So inside the box, you will find these tools. So this is the newest feature of the WRM 2021, and this is the first Moyu WRM to feature adjustable magnets. So if you turn this 45 degrees, you'll notice, if I just look closer, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are the 5 different magnet strengths. Setting number 1 is the strongest and setting number 5 is the weakest. So out of the box, it will come at setting number 1, which is the strongest. And it will also include these tools in the box, these sort of black swords. And as you can see, there's a small rectangle on the end. And there's also a small hole, as you can see. Just insert this rectangle into the small hole like so, like that, and then turn clockwise. And you'll hear a click every time and you will loosen it. So you turn counterclockwise. As you can see right now, it is setting at number 4, which is the second loosest. And if I turn it clockwise one more time, it will go to setting number 5, which is the weakest. And once I'm at the weakest setting, I just turn it clockwise one last time. And with a loud click, it will return all the way to setting number 1, which is the strongest. Just like the spring elasticity, a weaker magnet strength means that your cube will be faster and less controllable, whereas a stronger magnet strength means that your cube will be slightly more controllable, but it might not have as much speed. Personally, I put mine on setting number 2, which is the second strongest magnet setting, giving the cube a good balance between speed and stability in my opinion. Alright, next we have Lube. So out of all these lubes, the lube that I picked was a Martian. So I lubed this cube with weight 5 on the track. So what I did is I took this piece apart, and then on this sort of inner portion here, I put a little bit of weight 5, and then after I added the weight 5, I just opened this cube and put in a couple of drops on Martian, and the weight 5 makes the cube a little bit slower. Overall, it's a very balanced view and I'm a huge fan of this setup. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this week's customization tutorial. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram at m_cubist.official, and if you guys want to see my review of the WRM 2021, make sure to check that out at the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.